First of all, we need to download the app Easy Cloud. You can search for this app in the mobile store or just scan the QR code to download. Now let's open the mobile store to search and download. ESEECLOUD and search. Then complete the installation. When you use it for the first time, register a username according to the instructions and enter the email to register, or enter your phone number. Now, fill in the entered account and password and confirm. Next, let's take out the equipment and check where the base station has a TF card installed. If some base stations are already equipped with TF card, just ignore this step. If there's no TF card installed, you need to insert it here. Please note that the camera doesn't need a TF card, only base station can insert. Then plug power in. Here is the location of power supply. The next step is to plug in the internet cable, and the other end of the network cable is connected to the router, which is connected to the internet. Now turn on the camera. When using it for the first time, it is recommended to connect your mobile phone charger with the matching charging cable. For the first time, you need to charge the camera for 5 to 8 hours until it is fully charged. Charge it for the longer time is okay. Now let's press and hold the power supply. Do not let go of the power button for 3 to 5 seconds to turn on the camera. Okay, it's on. The same step for the second camera. Press and hold the power button to power on. Open the mobile app. When using it for the first time, we need to click the plus sign or plus sign in the upper right corner.
After the device powered on, scan the QR code on the device or on the monitor.
Please note that it is the QR code at the bottom of the base station, not the QR code of the camera body. Edit any name you like. The addition step is now complete. At this time, we can click the play button to watch some monitoring. The following explains how to add a single product camera to the base station. After the camera is turned on, press and hold the reset button for 3 to 5
Restore
seconds.
factory settings. The camera will restart automatically.
Okay, the camera is reset. We need to recode. Let's go back to the main interface.
Start configuration mode.
Did you see this plug side? Click it. Click Next.
Matching code will be done once you heard the voice prompt. Wireless settings, please wait. Wi-Fi matching succeed. Connection is successful.
Okay, this is the step of adding a new camera. Let's click to watch. What will happen if we accidentally press the reset button during operation? Let's try.
Restore factory settings. The camera will restart automatically.
One of the camera was reset. And now you can see that there's an image missing. This one is okay. This one has been reset. So what should we do? First, we have to determine which one it is, the first one, right? Okay, then click to delete this camera. It's the first channel. Of course, you may reset the first channel or the second channel, so you need to know which channel you will reset. Okay, let's go back to main interface. Clicking the plus sign, you can also add a third or fourth channel. Click the plus sign, he will prompt you to click
Matching
next.
code will be done once you heard the voice prompt. Wireless settings, please wait. The wireless connection is successful.
The base station will repair the code with the camera and the code. Matching is over. Okay, let's check it out. It means success when both display the screen. This is the FAQ part. What should we do when we encounter false positives? First, find the channel of false positives, click Preview, and leave the channel in full screen mode. Click the settings in the upper right corner. Find Recording Settings. Turn on Record Only when human appears, which can greatly reduce false news reports.